Alright, troubleshooting time. Sometimes people have the following issue. You fill the magazine with gas completely, you load it with BBs, and you shoot 5 shots and it's empty. There is no more gas inside. In this video, I'm going to explain you what is happening and how to fix that. I already mentioned that in the gun operation video, but maybe for some reason you skipped that video. So this is a dedicated video on how to properly fill the magazines with gas. So let's get started. All right, I described the issue. Now what is happening? You have to see these as 2 different pressurized containers that contain gas. Basic physics, if this one is warmer, I just warm it in the hand, maybe it's on the sun, in your pouch, doesn't matter. It's warmer than this. This was sitting in the shadow, nice and chilled, and now there is more pressure in here because it's warmer, and there is less pressure here because it is colder. When I try to fill these 2 containers, I'm actually pushing the gas from the magazine, there is more pressure, inside of this. So I'm not filling, I'm kind of actually emptying the magazine. And then what happens is you shoot a few shots and the gas is out and you cannot shoot anymore. How do you fix this? Basically, you need to make sure that this one is colder than this one. No, don't put it in the fire, don't put it in the sun. Simply leave this sitting in the shadow. Don't touch it with your hand because your hand is warm. Leave it sitting and warm up this bottle by holding it in your hands, shaking it a little bit. Maybe if you want to talk to your friends, you don't want to hold it, just put it in your armpit. In winter, I do that quite often. I even put it inside if I need to, and I just do my thing for a minute, and then this one will be warmer than this one. And I can fill it, and we will be able to hear the hissing, how the gas is going inside. All right. Now this magazine is completely full, and now I know that when I put it in the pistol, I will be able to fire up to 2 magazines if the conditions are right, maybe even more. Now, extreme scenario. You played with the pistol and it was really, really cold. You used a higher pressure gas. Doesn't matter which one, let's say just high pressure gas. Now you have it in the magazine. After the game, you just put it in your gear bag and you have high pressure gas inside, and now it's summer, right? Maybe you didn't play for a long time and there is high pressure gas inside and you are trying to fill it with, let's say, just a standard medium pressure green gas. What should you do? This won't cut it. Warming this up will not make the pressure difference so high that you can actually fill the magazine. You need to flush the gas that is already inside. How do you do that? There is a valve right here, and you need to push it and just empty all the gas. If nothing is helping, just do this and it will work. So we will release the gas by pushing on the valve, just like that. Now there is nothing inside. I can keep pushing it. Nothing is coming out anymore. And what I can do also is to flush it with this gas while pushing the valve. So it looks something like this. Just gonna let it run through to get rid of completely everything and to cool it down. And now the magazine, you will be able to feel that it's getting cold because, basic physics. If you release the gas, the magazine or the container is getting cold. That's exactly what we want. We want this cold and we want this a bit warmer. And now, when I fill it with any other gas, it's gonna be super easy. And again, we will be able to hear a lot of hissing. I will try to make that audible for you guys as well. Can you hear it? There is a lot of gas coming inside of this magazine. And now I know that this magazine is ready to go and I will be able to fire a lot of BBs out of this magazine because it is filled properly. Now you know how these things work. We encounter this issue all the time. This is how you fix it. I hope it helped you, and I will see you in the next video.